back, Cost Electronics Switzerland. This big guy here is a 2007 Porsche Cayenne with more than one problem. Let's see. This car was sitting outside near a tree for almost 2 years now, and check out the paint. Doesn't look that fresh. Also stuff like this happened. But this is not the main problem. The story is the owner of this car didn't really care about maintenance. He never changed the oil, he never take any service, almost did nothing. Just replaced the brakes. Sometime they are not that much old, but nothing else. Just drove it and drove it and drove it. Until this is the first problem, the air suspension lost his pressure and the car sitting all the way down now. In this way you cannot drive. After 10 minutes you have a flat ass. The car bounces and shakes down the road. It's horrible. He made an offer from a Porsche dealer and the repair cost is not worth for this car. Let's jump inside. Turn the key. Almost 311,000 kilometers. By the way, starter doesn't disengage well, but the engine runs. But shaky. This is the next problem. See this warning? Next warning, parking light. The warning before was the automatic curve light. Tire, TPMS disabled. Okay, no, out of gas. Almost every warning pops up here. So the next warning, brake pads, okay, but they are changed recently. The garage doesn't reset or broke a wear switch, I don't know. But the engine, as I said, runs rough. It has some misfire sometimes, but not constant. This is also a task. The air suspension doesn't work at all. So, I think that's it with the most problems. No, I forgot something. We have a problem with the EVAP. I think this should be all. Okay, I found 2 more problems. Here's the first. This right headlight flickers. Maybe only a bad contact. We'll see. And the next problem. This automatic trailer hitch here doesn't work also. It works only about 1 time of 10. And see what the problem is there. Boom. This is the big guy. 521 horsepower. So there is an oil leak behind here somewhere. I don't figure it out where it is exactly, but this is another task. Next, hook up the scanner and make a full scan. Right. until the Maxis is booted up. Okay. See if the automatic selection works. Yep. This is correct. So make full scan and I'll be back later. Now the scan is completed and we have a bunch of faults. Yes. Walk through one by one. First with the engine computer. Fan 1 control circuit, turbocharger boost sensor, circuit high, okay. And we have an evap leak. Okay. Next, air conditioning. We have no coolant fluid. Gateway. Okay. Power supply is because the battery was low, and trailer hitch control module. This I have already said. Sometimes it doesn't work, so maybe there's a problem with this module. Instrument cluster. Maybe this is because the trailer control module left HBA, I don't know what it is. Level control module signal. This is because the air suspension, okay. Level control. Okay, but the level control doesn't work anyways. I can hear the compressor working, but the vehicle doesn't move up and down. So there's a leak in the system somewhere. Okay, trailer module. From the park assistant module we was inside before. Now the left door. No feedback from the lock. Bad. So the right HPA must be the same with the level control as the left was before. Steering column switch, what is here? Tiptronic switch on steering wheel up. It must be one of these buttons. Check them later. And finally we have a problem in the main electrical system. What's here? Parking light right, okay. Load managing operating or vehicle electrical system DME control module. I think this is because the air suspension, I'm not sure. Corner sensitive headlight left. Fault in the headlight too. So now, what guys, what would you do? This car comes from a good friend of me. Would you charge him the full price or make a special price? Because he didn't care about this car, he should learn something, but in other way, it's your friend. What would you do? Let me know in the comments down below. We make a list now with all the problems and the estimated costs, and then I talk to my friend and see what he will do. If he wants to repair this car, I make for each problem a new separate video, and yes, go from there. Bye bye.